In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking, Likert, and rating questions in Microsoft Forms, whether you're an educator, a market researcher, or simply someone tasked with collecting valuable feedback. These question types can significantly enhance the depth and quality of the insights you gather. Let's dive in and start crafting more engaging surveys. First, open your web browser and head over to Microsoft Forms. Once you're on the website, log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Then navigate to the specific form you wish to edit. You can do this by selecting one from the list of existing forms on your homepage. If you're working from scratch, feel free to create a new form entirely, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you have an existing form you want to modify. Now that we have the form open, look for the Add New button on your screen. Clicking this button allows you to introduce a new question within your form. You'll be presented with a variety of question types to choose from. Start by selecting the ranking option. This type of question is ideal when you want respondents to order their preferences or priorities. Enter the main question text in the designated box. Think carefully about how you word your question to be clear and concise. Next, populate the option 1, option 2, and so on with the items you want your respondents to rank. Provide enough options to give a complete picture, but not too many to overwhelm the survey taker. Once you've set up your ranking question, it's a good idea to preview it. This gives you an opportunity to see how your question will appear to respondents and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing. To do this, click the Preview button. Here you can experience the form as your audience would, making sure everything looks just right. Now that you've successfully added a ranking question, let's take a moment to add a different type of question to offer more variety in your survey. Repeat the process by clicking Add New once again. This time, when going through the drop-down menu, select either Rating or Likert. Rating questions are perfect for gathering opinions on a numerical scale, perfect for gauging satisfaction or agreement levels. On the other hand, Likert questions allow you to capture respondent attitudes across a spectrum, often used for statements respondents can agree or disagree with. Once you've added these new question types by entering your text and options, don't forget to preview each question type individually. Reviewing each one helps ensure your forms are as user-friendly and effective as possible. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enhance your Microsoft Forms with ranking, Likert, and rating questions. With these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to collecting deeper and more nuanced insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your surveys.